Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on Monogram and Vachetta handbags. I am over it, okay? Before we get started, please make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay, so before we get started, let's go over the outfit of the day and the handbag of the day. I did post a reel on Instagram and also shared it YouTube shorts just in case you didn't see it. The top is actually an oversized dress I purchased from Kroger's. Yes, I bought this in Kroger's while I was out shopping. It was in the spring summer collection. I purchased for $14.99. I just converted into an oversized button-down shirt. I paired it with some blue jean shorts, my LV passenger sandals. These are now discontinued. Why LV made that move, I don't know. But I'm so blessed to have these in my collection because they go great with the dolphin handbags that I do have. And let's move on to the handbag of the day. You guys know this is one of my favorites in my collection. This is the beautiful LV Marquita Loop GM Hobo bag. I love this handbag. Fits so much and I just love how it droops right here in the middle. I am not worried about the canvas cracking. I do take good care of this handbag. And so, guys, simple outfit of the day. And like I said, I hate these are discontinued because if you do have a dolphin handbag in your collection, these would have went perfect with your handbag. So, easy slay, guys, for this Monday. Let's move on to the real combo. Straight to the point, I'm over it. I am over Monogram and Vachetta handbags. I actually had to look in my collection. And guys, I am full. No more. I am done. I'm over it. Let's go over the two handbags. Now that we have better pictures, Foxy did post on Instagram. Let's start with the Clooney handbag. I've never really been a fan of the Clooney line, but to me, they're okay. Just not a big fan, okay? But this is a Clooney mini. I don't know how much it's going to be, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be about $2,000. I'm guessing $2,000 because I know they're going to include a slight price increase. But again, here it is, more Vachetta, not even treated Vachetta. Give us treated Vachetta, okay? So the Clooney does come with a bag tag. Of course, you can get it high stamp, top handle. It reminds me so much of the Cruisit handbag. I have the Damier Azur in my collection. It also comes in the Damier Bean print. Of course, the famous good tar strap. I cannot wait until LV just gets out of this phase. I honestly think it brings down the quality of the handbags. On some of the handbags, it's okay. But every time they release a handbag, they throw this strap on there. Because they are taking the cheap way out. Add a leather strap, okay? Give us a Vachetta strap. Detachable. I mean, this good tar thing needs to end, okay? So, the Clooney Mini, that's coming out April 14th. And then, the famous that you all have been waiting on, the Neo Noe BB. I'm not a huge fan of the Neo Noe handbags. I actually had 5 in my collection and I sold all 5 of them because I didn't use them. But this is my thing. I'm glad you guys are excited, but this would have been amazing in this size if they added black leather instead of the vachetta. So we do have a detachable top handle. I think it would look bomb if you add a bandeau. And then of course we have a detachable strap if you want to, you know, convert it into a crossbody, wear it over the shoulder. So if you guys are interested in the Neo Noe BB 1900, I feel it's a very fair price. It was a lot cheaper. The Neo Noe BBs are a lot cheaper, but back then, but it's okay. Let's take the 1900. You guys have been waiting on this, but for you that sent me those DMs asking, am I interested? I am not. I am standing firm on my decision to not purchase any more Monogram and Vachetta handbags. I am over it. The reason that I wanted to speak on this topic is because now I am so full of Monogram and Vachetta handbags. It's hard for me to pick a handbag. They are starting to all look alike. And if I had to pick a handbag, I am going to go for my side trunk, which it is treated Vachetta, okay, or my Speedy 20, which is Monogram and Vachetta. That leaves my Graceful PM in the Monogram and Vachetta. It leaves my Speedy 25 bandolier that I have that with Vachetta. I have my favorite handbag, another one, Monogram and Vachetta. I've never used my Neverfull Monogram and Vachetta, the Ammo BB Monogram and Vachetta, guys, and the list goes on. And at this point, I'm over it. I know that that's popular within the LV community. We love us a good monogram handbag, but I need monogram and black leather. I love carefree handbags, and so I'm moving forward. I am going to spend my money on handbags like I told you guys in the past that I'm honestly going to use. I don't want to come into my closet and constantly go for my side trunk, and it takes away from my other handbags. And now these handbags are left sitting in my collection as they have been for the past 2 to 3 years, only because I now have a favorite Monogram and Vachetta handbag and the Speedy 20 that I have, which is Monogram and Vachetta as well. So let me know how you feel about that. And I didn't get to all of the DMs, but no, to answer the questions, answer the emails, I am not interested in the Neo Noe BB only because of the Vachetta. I absolutely love the size. The BB size to me is perfect. I'm not feeling the Vachetta. The Clooney Mini, I cannot tell you if you should purchase or not. I have the Crusette handbag and I'm okay with it, and I don't use it as often, but I will pick the Crusette over the Clooney Mini, if that makes sense to you guys. They are similar, but the print, I will rather pick the Damier Azur in that specific handbag, okay? Because the Clooney, like I said, it just sometimes gives me grandma vibes. I don't know why, but no. So you can quit asking me. The Clooney is out of the question, and also the Neo Noe BB only because of the Vachetta. Now, let's move on and talk about the LV Academy collection that's coming out. The beautiful LV denim line. A lot of you guys were like, no, that's an easy pass. For me, I absolutely love it. You guys know I am a big fan of the denim, anything. YSL denim, I have it here, and it reminds me of the YSL denim handbag. It really does. I am here for it. I'm honestly looking at the mini pochette because I can convert that into a crossbody, and I do love the giant LV on the mini pochette. And I am also looking at the on-the-go toe in the black denim or the Neverfull black denim. So I am torn at this point if I want the Neverfull or if I want the on-the-go tote, but my eye is on the black denim. I think it is very unique, very different, very sexy. Even though my husband said that I need a pop of color. He said I need more color. I need to stay away from the monogram. I need to stay away from the denim. He told me I need to add color even if I need to leave from LV for a while. Let me know what you feel about that, because I do look in my collection. Everything is black, cognac, reverse monogram, dolphin. I have three handbags that's, you know, a pop of color. That's the green Epi Ammo BB. I have the fuchsia on the go tote PM, and I have a Dolce & Gabbana handbag, which is also pink. A lot of you guys said that you wasn't happy with the new denim that's coming out and that you like my Speedy 25 better. I do. I love this handbag. I really do. But the only thing that I dislike is that they did not add the extended zipper. It is so hard for me. When I carry big bags like this, I have to have my notebook. If I can't carry my agenda, I have to have my LV notebook, and it does give me issues, you know, getting items in and getting items out. I love the gold hardware. I was concerned about the gold being matched up against this denim. As you guys can see, the denim collection that is coming out is silver hardware. So this came with gold hardware, and to me, it's not that bad. I would have preferred silver hardware, but it's totally fine. So the only thing that I honestly have an issue with this denim handbag, it doesn't come with the extended zipper. That's it. So if you have this in your collection, guys, I know you are enjoying it. To me, this most definitely can be an everyday bag. I am a denim lover. I'm always in jeans. I'm always in jean shorts, even jean dresses. It's not a seasonal handbag. To me, it can be worn all year round. Like I said, every day. So, absolutely love having this in my collection. I'm not going to say until I have it in my hands that I am for this denim line versus the LV Academy. Give me time. Of course, I will do a comparison. I have to see it in person because, like I said, it's giving me the YSL vintage handbag. It's giving me similar vibes. If you guys see what I'm saying, it's giving me similar vibes. And if it is, I am here for the puffer, especially in the black color. So, I am a denim lover. Let me know what you feel. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh no, I passed. Like, my money is safe in my account. You guys, y'all are not feeling anything. What is going on? Are you waiting for a buy the pool collection? I mean, are you waiting for the Speedy 20 Dominate Bean? I know we are trying to spend smart, be patient, which, guys, I'm happy, I'm proud of you. But what's going on? A lot of you guys say your money is safe. Is it that you're trying to just control your spending? You really don't like what's coming out? I don't know. But to me, the black denim is hot. And let's not forget, before I end this video, what's going on? No more talks about this monogram handbag. So yes, it's still on my radar. You guys know I said this is going to be a hot bag. But have you heard anything about it? Let me know in the comments because I want this. My birthday is May 12th. I do want a new handbag. I have been patient. I have been disciplined, like I told my husband. And give me some insight. A pop of color. Orange, red, and blue. Those are the colors that I'm looking for. Orange, red, and blue. Let me know if you have these colors in your collection. Is it from LV brand? Where is it from? Guys, help me out. My birthday is coming. So let me know how you feel, like I said, about the LV Academy denim that's coming out. Are you looking to purchase? If you have pre-ordered the Neo Noe BB, let me know in the comments. And how do you feel about the continuation of Monogram and Vachetta handbags that are coming out? I'm just not here for it anymore. I feel like LV need to spice it up a little bit. Like, I'm just over it. We could have got a Neo Noe BB and reverse monogram. Give us something else. We need something else. And guys, my eye is also on the Bumbag. Okay, we are going to talk about that Wednesday or on Handbag Bestie Friday. I had a dream about it and it was cute on me. It was cute on me, guys. So as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye-bye.